stock market, with a reputation of being one of the best wealth-creating assets across the world, holds an appeal to millions of investors. And these numbers have seen a quantum leap since the pandemic. From 2018 to 2019, the number of demat accounts more than doubled from 3.6 crore to 7.4 crore by November 2021, which stands testimony to the increasing appeal. Although investors enter the market with the idea of creating wealth for the long term, the taste of big gains in a small period of time can end up making investors greedy, that invariably destroys wealth rather than creating it. As the resilience of the markets gets tested this year, investors have to revisit the basics and ask hard questions about their long-term objectives and strategies and the individual stocks they are investing in. In a two-part series, what can help you build a profitable portfolio and contain losses, Moneycontrol equips you with the right questions that can help you stay on course. Here are the top 3 points. Number 1, identify your investment goals. Before anyone embarks on their financial or investment journey, it is of utmost importance that one clearly identifies their investment goals. Here's a quick advice from Manish Jain, the fund manager at Ambit Asset Management. Number 2, check your risk profile. When we say risk profile, we mean you should check your risk appetite. This simply means how much risk you are willing to undertake. Risk appetite determines 3 important things. First, the type of investment. If you would invest in gold, bank term deposits, and tax-free bonds or equities, PE funds, long or short alternative investment funds. Second, the investment duration. And third, the risk expectations. Don't forget to compare the performance of your portfolio with one that has a similar risk profile. How does each scheme fare on performance vis-a-vis benchmarks and peers on a 2-3 year time period? Rajesh Saluja, CEO and Managing Director at ASK Wealth Advisors, advises investors to check portfolio at regular intervals. The third important question you need to ask is, what is your investment horizon? The investment horizon is a crucial factor to determine the appropriate investment strategy. Once you know your goals, time horizon, and risk profile, you must then plan your investment approach. The CEO of Julius Baer advises a core satellite approach. The core strategy should remain in place for the long term, while the satellites can be short-term investments that allow the advantage of opportunities as they arise in the market. So those were the top 3 questions you need to ask to help you build a profitable portfolio and contain your losses. That's all we have in this video, but stay tuned for the second part of the series tomorrow, where we get you some tips for selecting the right stocks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.